Good morning, children. How are you all? Let us start today's session. Okay, children, this is page number 31 in your Max textbook. Okay, see here what they given. See the heading what they given: addition word problems. Addition word problems. Add to solve these problems. We have to solve these problems. Add to solve these problems. They are saying. Okay, okay. We have to do addition. Add. They are saying to solve this. If you want to solve this, we have to do addition. Okay. In a class, there are 37 girls and 28 boys. How many students are there in all? Already they did some. Again, I am explaining. Listen carefully. In a class, there are 37 girls and 28 boys. How many students are there in all? Okay. Now, so I'm writing 37 girls. How many girls are there? 37 girls. 28 boys. How many boys are there in the class? 28 boys. If add this girls and boys, we can find how many students are there in that class. Okay, children. Now we have to add 37 plus 28. When we are doing addition, we should add first one's column only. Okay, here 7 plus 8 we should add. Which number is bigger number? 8. 8 is bigger number. So 8 you should keep in your mind. 7 is in your hand. Open 7 fingers, children. Okay, now start counting. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do I write 15 here? No, I can't write like that. So in 15, how many ones are there? How many tens are there? In 15, 1 10 is there, 5 ones are there. So I am writing 5 in ones column, 1 into tens column. Okay. Now we have to add tens column. Okay. First, here 3 numbers are there. First, we should add first 2 numbers. So which number is bigger number? 3. So you should keep 3 in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 3 after 4. Okay. So you should keep 4 in your mind. Here what the number they given? 2. So 4 in your mind, 2 is in your hand. 4 after 5, 6. So they are writing, we are writing 6 here. Okay, how many students are there in that class? 65. Total, how many students are there in that class? 65. Girls and boys we are adding. We are finding the answer. 65 students are total are there in that class. Okay, children. Now we'll go to the next problem. Okay, now read the question carefully. Neha bought 48 mango toffees. Neha bought 48 mango toffees and 23 orange toffees. How many toffees did she buy? Okay, Neha, she bought 48 mango toffees, 23 orange toffees. How many toffees did she buy? Now we have to write how many mango toffees she bought. Neha bought 48. 48 mango toffees. We are writing like this: 48 mango toffees. Okay. Next, this is addition symbol. When we are doing addition, compulsory we have to keep this symbol. Okay. Next, how many toffees, orange toffees she buy? 23 orange toffees she bought. Okay. 23 orange toffees. So 48 mango toffees, 23 orange toffees. If we add these two numbers, we'll get the answer. How many toffees she bought? Okay, she buy. Okay. Now we have to add 48 plus 23. So when we are doing addition, again and again I'm saying first we should add one's column first. Okay. So which number is bigger number? 8. 8 you should keep in your mind. 3 you should keep in your hand. Open 3 fingers, children. 8 after 9, 10, 11. Do I write 11 here? No, I can't write like that. So 11. In 11, how many tens are there? How many ones are there? In 11, 1 10 is there, 1 1 is there. So I'm writing 1 in ones column, 1 in tens column, because in 11, 1 10 is there, 1 1 is there. So I'm writing 1 in ones column, 1 into tens column. Okay. Next we have to add tens column. So here 3 numbers are there. First we should add these 2 numbers. So which number is bigger number? 4. 4 you should keep in your mind. 1 is in your hand. 4 after 5. Okay. Now if you add these 2 numbers, you get the answer 5. So immediately you should keep 5 in your mind. 2 is in your hand. 5 is in your mind. 2 is in your hand. Open two fingers, children. 5 after 6, 7. 5 after 6, 7. So I'm writing 7 here. So total 71 toffees Neha bought. How many toffees Neha buy, children? Total 71 toffees Neha buy. This is the answer. In this way we have to solve these problems. Okay, children, we'll go to the next sum now. Ram has 78 white cows and 19 brown cows. How many cows does Ram have in all? Again I'm reading question. Ram, one person is there, his name is Ram. Ram has 78 white cows. He has 78 white cows and 19 brown cows. Okay, how many cows does Ram have in all? Okay, first we have to write tens, ones, then we have to write 78. What are the children cows? White cows. 78 white cows. 78 white cows. Next, this is addition symbol. So we have to, when you are doing addition, we have to compulsory have to keep this symbol. Next, how many brown cows are there? 19. 19 brown cows. 19 brown cows. So I'm writing 19 brown cows here. So we have to find how many total cows Ram have. We have to add these two numbers. If we add, we can find how many cows does Ram have in all. Okay, so when we are doing addition, first we have to add one's column first. Okay, so 8 is there, 9 is there. So which number is bigger number? 9. So 9 is in your hand. Okay, sorry, 9 is in your mind. 8 is in your hand. Open 8 fingers, children. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Do I write 17 here? No, I can't write. In 17, how many tens are there? How many ones are there? In 17, 1 10 is there, 7 ones are there. So I'm writing 7 in ones column. Okay, 1 is in tens column. Did you understand, children? 8 plus 9, 17. But I can't write 17 here. In 17, 1 10 is there, 7 ones are there. More than 9 we can't write in ones column. Keep it that point in your mind. Again and again I'm saying, children. 17 we can't write here. So in 17, 1 10 is there, 7 ones are there. So I'm writing 7 into ones column, 1 into tens column. Okay, now I have to add tens column. So here 3 numbers are there. So first we should add these two numbers first. Which number is bigger number? 7. So you should keep 7 in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 7 after 8. Okay, so immediately you should keep 8 in your mind. So 1 is in your hand. Okay, open one finger, children. 8 after 9. So write the answer here, 9. So total 97 cows Ram have in all. So how many cows Ram have? Total 97 cows Ram have. Okay, children, this is the answer. In this way we have to solve this all the problems. Now we will solve this problem, children. Okay, read the sum. Tina has 57 stamps. Her friend Jill gives her 32 stamps more. How many stamps does Tina have now? Okay, understand the question first. Tina has 57 stamps. Her friend Jill gives her 32 stamps more. Her friend gives her 32 stamps. She has 57 stamps. So how many stamps does Tina have now? Now total how many stamps Tina have now? So we have to find the answer. Okay, we have to do the addition. Okay, so first we have to write tens, ones. Now Tina has how many stamps, children? 57 stamps. So we are writing 57 like this. 57 stamps. Okay, her friend Jill gives her 32 stamps. So Jill gives her how many stamps, children? 32 stamps. Okay, this is addition symbol. Compulsory when you are doing it, you should keep this symbol. Okay, now we have to add these two numbers. Okay, so when we are doing addition, say, children, first we have to add one's column first. Okay, so 7 2. Which number is bigger number? 7 is the bigger number. So 7 you should keep in your mind. Okay, 7 you should keep in your mind. 7 is in your mind, 2 is in your hand. Open two fingers, children. 7 after 8, 9. So we have to write here 9. Okay, next we have to add tens column. Okay, so which number is bigger number? 5. 5 you have to keep in your mind, 3 in your hand. Open three fingers, children. Okay, 5 after, say, 6, 7, 8. So we have to write here 8. Okay, so total how many stamps Tina have now? 89 stamps. Okay, Tina has 57 stamps, Jill gives her 32 stamps. Total 89 stamps Tina has. Okay, children. Okay, we'll go to the next sum now. We have to solve this problem now. So Kitty cat eats 38 rats in April. Kitty cat is there. Okay, a kitty cat eats 38 rats in April and 25 rats in May. Did you understand? Kitty cat is eating 38 rats in 1 month, 25 rats in May month. Okay, how many rats does she eat in 2 months? How many total rats she ate in 2 months? Okay, so first we have to write like this, tens, ones. Okay, so how many rats kitty cat eat in April month? How many rats kitty cat eat in April month? 38 rats. Okay, next we have to add the write the addition symbol like this. Next, how many rats kitty cat eats in May month? 25 rats. Okay, you have to write like this first. Okay, first tens ones, then 38 rats in April, 25 rats in May. So how many rats does she eat in 2 months? We have to find the answer. So we should add these numbers. Okay, first we have to add ones column first. So 8, 5. Which number is bigger number, children? 8. So you should keep 8 in your mind, 5 is in your hand. Open 5 fingers, children. Okay, 5. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Do I write 13 here? No, I can't write like that. This is not the correct one. Okay, so 13. In 13, how many tens are there? How many ones are there? 13. In 13, 3 ones are there, 1 10 is there. Okay, in 13, 1 10, 3 ones are there. So I'm writing 3 in 1's place, 1 in 10th place. Okay, 10th place. 13. Okay, right here, think 13. 1 is in 10th place, 3 is in 1's place. So I'm writing 3 here, I'm writing 1 in this box. Okay, you have to draw this box, you have to write 1 like this. Okay, next we have to add tens column. Okay, next you have to add tens column. Okay, here 3 numbers are there. Already I said first we should add these 2 numbers. So which number is bigger number, children? 3. So you should keep 3 in your mind, 1 is in your hand. Okay, open one finger, children. 3 after 4. If you add these 2 numbers, you get the answer 4. So now you have to keep 4 is in your mind, 2 is in your hand. Okay, 4 is in your mind, 2 is in your hand. Open 2 fingers. Okay, 4 after 5, 6. So you have to write here 6. Okay, so 63. The answer is 63. 63 rats does she eat in 2 months? Kitty cat eat 63 rats in 2 months. This is the answer. Total rats. Total 63 rats kitty cat eats in 2 months. Okay, so this problem is solved. Next we have to go to the next question. Okay, Bino has 32 books in one bag. Bino has 32 books in one bag and 42 in another bag. In one bag he has 32 books, in another bag he has 42 books. So how many books does Bino have now in all? How many books does Bino have in all? Total how many books Bino have? Okay, now we have to write the answer like this. First we have to write tens, next ones. So in one bag how many books Bino has? 32 books. So we have to write 32 like this. Next we have to keep 32 books. Next we have to keep addition symbol like this. Next, in another bag how many books Bino has? In one bag 32 books he has. And another bag how many books he have? 42 books in another bag. So we have to write 42 like this. Okay, 42 books. Okay, how many books does Binu have in all? Total how many books Binu have in all? So we have to add these numbers. First we have to add ones column first. Okay, first we have to add ones column first. So 2 is in your mind, 2 is in your hand. 2 after 3, 4. So I'm writing 4 like this. Next 3, 4. Next we have to add tens column na. So which number is bigger number? 4. So you should keep 4 in your mind, 3 in your hand. 4 after 5, 6, 7. So we have to write 7 here. So total how many books Binu have? 74 books. Total how many books? 74 books Binu have. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, children, we'll go to the next problem. On Sheetal's birthday, her friends gave her 46 gifts. On Sheetal's birthday, her friends gave her 46 gifts and her parents gave her 17 more gifts. Okay, and her parents gave her 17 more gifts. How many gifts did Sheetal get in all? Total how many gifts Sheetal get in all? So we have to start the answer. We have to add. Okay, first we have to write like this, tens ones. Next, how many gifts her friends gave her? 46 gifts. Okay, 46 gifts her friends gave her. And addition symbol you have to keep like this. Next, how many gifts her parents gave her? 17 gifts. 17 gifts her parents gave her. So we have to find the answer. How many gifts did Sheetal get in all? Total how many gifts she get in? Okay, so we have to add these two numbers. First we have to add ones column first. Okay, 6, 7. Which number is bigger number? 7. So you should keep 7 in your mind, 6 is in your hand. Okay, 6 is in your hand. Okay, now count. Open 6 fingers, children. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. 13 in how many tens are there? How many ones are there in 13? 3 ones are there. 1 10 is there. So I'm writing like this. 3 in ones place, 1 is in tens place. In this box you have to write. Okay. So now we have to add tens column. Okay, now we have to add tens column. First we have to add these two numbers. Which number is bigger number? 4. So 4 you should keep in your mind, 1 is in your hand. 4 after 5. Okay, 5. 5 you should keep in your mind, 1 you should keep in your hand. Okay, open one finger, children. Okay, 5 after 6. Okay, 63 gifts. Now Sheetal get total 63 gifts. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, children. Children, this is today's assignment. Do this assignment carefully and send to me. Thank you, children.